Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to completely disable or turn off the Safe Search in Bing. So go to bing.com and press this menu button and go to Safe Search. So in this menu, select Off. Don't filter adult content from your search results and press Save button and press Agree. Okay, this process will automatically disable or turn off your Safe Search. This is a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.